The community has received Berks Nature and the Nature Place with open arms. I can't tell you how many positive comments we've received, and in such a short period of time have already connected to people that I know we would not have connected to before. They feel more welcome, they feel more connected to us, they clearly understand what we do, and it's just been very positive. I can't wait to see a year from now what it's done for us. Well, our work reaches a lot of different people, a lot of different constituencies, and we had great brands that reached those different constituencies, like Greater Reading Trails and Green Berks, and of course our education programs like Eco Adventure Camp. But no one really knew who was behind those brands. So now with this really strong overall Uber brand, people instantly know who's doing the work, who's behind it, and it really encompasses all the work that we do in Berks County. We have special projects that target different constituencies, so the ability to do that in the brand makes our partners and those certain constituencies feel special, and there are certain projects where we need to target just our trail users and outdoor enthusiasts, or just our education partners. So the flexibility in being able to do that in our brand is great. Someday, we may just only need to use our one logo in Berks Nature, but right now the ability to be flexible is very